This is Ian Tabaze. This is 21 YouTube channel. I bring you new stuff every week. This is the Beats Mixers, as you can see. Sorry, upside down. This is the Beats Mixers. They're very portable, light, very durable. I mean, check this out. What? Seriously, I swear. This thing got like durability. They're very flexible for like beating them up, not literally what I mean. But if you're a DJ and get DJ style, and you're like, what? You're like mixing your thing. You're like, what? And you're like, what? These things are like really hardcore, and yeah, we've had them for like a week, and look how they're good condition. Still okay, right? And you can see them in texture. They come with a control talk, a Beats control talk. They come with a mic, as you can see. The mic you can see right there, and they have the control talk, pause, volume up, volume down. If you click 3 times, it goes the music before or to the start of the new music, or you click twice, it goes to the next song. So that's perfect if you don't want to remove your device out of your pocket. I'm gonna talk about the other cable. This is the other DJ style cable. As you can see, it connects perfectly, and this is the audio jack for the bigger one, as you're using for DJs. It comes with the other 3.5mm jack, as you can see here. It's removable and put about. Sorry, I don't know what you mean, but anyway, you can put it into here. This one goes straight in there. As you can see, it has 2 jacks. Perfect using if you're connecting someone else's headphones, if you want them to listen to the same music as you. Perfect if you're going on a date and you don't want them to change and exchange headphones or something. So they can go into both, as you can see, both of them. So you choose this one. Beat Mixer is extremely loud, extremely durability. As in, look, the case is amazing. Let me show you this. I mean, look at it. Wow, the case is what? It's looking like what? As in, they open up, as you can see. This is where you keep the cables, as you can see. This is where you keep the beats. You can see, wow, how do I keep my beats there? Well, listen, as they're compact in this case over here, you can slide them down through here. You squeeze them just a bit, as you can see, literally. But like, you can squeeze them too. So you squeeze them down there, and perfect fit. As you can see, they look perfect. As in what? Perfect, as you can see. And you can put your cables there. They come with a monster cleaning cloth that I've had like for a week now, as I told you. I bought these in Amsterdam. They're real, and don't get the fakes. The fakes are always bad. You can even just one earpiece working, and you're like, what? That doesn't look good. You know, I mean, I advise you get the real ones. If you don't, the real ones are like really good. If you don't, preferably like, you know, if they're too expensive. I mean, I still have the box here. This is how they really look like. If they're real, you would probably see David Guetta right there, and his signature right there, as you can see right there, David Guetta. They come with all different section sizes. I'm just kidding. Anyway, inside the box you could see that David, his signature, as you can see right there, and you can see his face. And inside you should see these things, which is basically I'll just remove it. This is a user guide warranty for Beats Mixers. As you can see, this crap. I don't think you need that. This is just different languages stuff. Anyway, this is the book of all the other beats. As you can see, there's so many beats. It's different. As you can see, as I go through the pages, Beat Studios, great choice. Solos, great choice. Pros, these are official DJs. You can see the black ones and the white ones. I recommend the white ones just for you. These are the Beat Stores, the earphones. These are the iBeats. Okay. These are the artist series. As you can see, I'm not gonna go through the whole thing. But this is the Beat sticker that you should get. And Beat Monster sticker, just a second. It can come basically. Yeah. You should get this with this cable right here. It comes on stick clip. Oh, I don't know if you get that. No, you do get that. And your control. It says your device may not fully operate with control talk. See monster cable, MP3 talk for details. And the rest is other languages if you don't understand that. This is basically just other papers. and we're gonna go through all that. And see, as I got mine, I got a 2-year guarantee worldwide. So all I just need to do is give this in, and if it's broken, I can get another one just like that. I mean, warranty is the best thing ever. I paid $270 in Amsterdam for this because it was imported all the way to Amsterdam, and yeah, I guess that's it. Well, I think I finished. Well, thank you very much. I recommend to use iPads if you want new software. If you want to see more videos by Antabazi and loads of other stuff, I have SMS, Beatbox, Portable, Beatbox, any studios app, anything. What can I say? I help you guys.